I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to clean your Cuisinart Griddler. So I love using the Griddler here, and after you use it, especially if you make like pancakes or something, you'll find the plates are dirty, you can get little drips and dribbles and things on the Griddler itself. So this is a look at how we can clean it off. And the first thing that you want to do is wait for it to cool. You don't want to do anything until it's fully cooled. Now, once it is fully cool, we can press the eject buttons on the side here of the Griddler, take those plates right off of the Griddler here. They just pop off, and then these plates actually can go straight into the dishwasher. So I need to put them in the dishwasher, run that. That's the easiest way to clean these plates off. So those are good. They're in the dishwasher. Next, we're going to go ahead and close the Griddler, and we're going to take off the drip pan on the back here. So this is a detachable drip pan. You're not going to find when you make like pancakes usually that you have too much of an issue with drips, but sometimes you'll get things that fall below it. We'll get to that in a second. But if you do like burgers or something that's fattier, you'll get a lot of drippings in this pan. And we just simply slide it out the side. You can see this little arrow that says insert this way. You just slide it the opposite direction of that arrow to remove it. Not much for making pancakes, but again, if you're doing something fattier, this is going to get dirty. You can go ahead and hand wash this one, I think is the best bet. You can probably put it on the top shelf of the dishwasher, but because it is plastic, you just want to be careful that it doesn't warp or bend since it's a pretty tight fit into the machine. Next, we're going to take any kind of food-safe cleaner, because this is a food contact type of device. We want to make sure it's food-safe. You can do something as simple as just water and a little bit of baking soda, some lemon juice, some vinegar, whatever you want to use to clean, and put that on a cloth or a paper towel. I'm going to use this microfiber cloth here, wet that down, and then we're just going to wipe all those oily surfaces down, because there tends to be, as you saw there, little splatters, things that aren't going to get caught in the drip tray. Clean that off. The top of this, you can see, gets a little bit dirty. We get that overspray, that kind of thing. So wipe that down really nicely. That's super shiny, looks just like new now, looks great. Let's flip it around and do the front panel. Now this is an area I find tends to accumulate little drips and things because you get stuff that comes out the front as you're cooking, and there's no drip pan here. So make sure to clean around the dials in this area here, again, using that microfiber cloth to get rid of those little stuck-on drips. And there you go, beautiful, clean Cuisinart Griddler. When we're ready, we can put the drip tray back in once that's clean. And we can take those plates and put them back in next time we're ready to cook. And we are good to go. So that's how we clean the Cuisinart Griddler.